Acquire English. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at how to use in plus an amount of time. We use in plus an amount of time to talk about after an amount of time from now. For example, if now it's 3 o'clock, in 10 minutes it will be 3:10. If right now it's June, in 2 months it will be August. And right now, if it's 2024, in 2 years it will be 2026. Let's look at another example. Right now, she is 1 year old. In 7 years, she will be in elementary school. In 17 years, she will graduate high school. In 70 years, she will be a grandmother. Let's take a look at some more examples. Sorry I'm late. I'll be there in 15 minutes. It's my birthday in 2 days. Dinner will be ready in 20 minutes. I'm going to Spain in 2 months. Give it a go. Tell us about something in the future using in plus time in the comments below.